Hi, this is Vimal Pradeep, teacher from Rainy Blooms Lekul International CBSE School, Tirukallur. Today we are going to see about chapter 9 algebraic expression and identities. In this chapter already have studied some concepts in 7th standard. In this year we are going to see algebraic expressions in brief. Let us see. Expression have number, variable, operator and also numbers. So this kind of expressions can give as a examples. Now we are going to see about types of algebraic expressions. What is called monomial? Monomial is nothing but the single term is called monomial. See here 7x is the example for monomial. Next one is a binomial. Binomial is nothing but which is contain two terms. Here I have given example 2ay minus 4. The same trinomial means three terms 3x plus 2xy plus 5. Polynomial. Polynomial is also here expressions. Here more than one term we can say polynomial. Now let us see an example of factor tree. Here I have written some expressions, that is a 5x square minus 3 by 2 xy plus 18 abc minus 1. First of all we have to identify what are the terms. The terms is nothing but the expressions, that is a 5x squared is one term, another term is minus 3 by 2 xy, next one is plus 18 abc, finally minus 1. These are the terms of the given expressions. Now we have to identify the factors of these expressions. First term you have to take, what are the factors of this first term, that is 5. X square you can split it as 2, that is 2x, x into x square. Next term minus 3 by 2 xy, here the factors of this term minus 3 by 2 x and y. Next one plus 18 abc, factors are 18 a b c. Finally minus 1 is there, the factors of this minus 1 is the same one, minus 1. Now we are going to see about a coefficient. What is called a coefficient? Coefficient is the numerical value of the given term. So now we are written all the given terms from these expressions. First term is 5x square. What is the coefficient of first term? 5. This is the numerical value. 5 is the numerical value of this first term. Second term minus 3 by 2 xy. Here the coefficient is minus 3 by 2. Third term 18 abc. Coefficient is 18. Minus 1. The coefficient is minus 1. Now I have given some examples of the expressions like factor tree, terms and coefficient. So likewise you have you can. Now I will show you how to add expressions. For example 3x 5 x minus x. So these three terms, how can we add? You can remove the commas. First 3x, remove the commas and put the addition symbol. Next one is 5x, next one is minus x, because they have given minus symbol. Or else you can put the addition symbol with minus x. So we know that the like terms has to be added first. What is called like terms? The variable which is contained the same So here all the variables are same. So you can add positive variables, positive terms first. 3 plus 5, 3x plus 5, 8x plus into minus, minus x. Now here also same variables are there. 8 minus 1, I mean 8x minus 1x, 7x. Bigger one have positive symbol, so the answer is positive 7x. Second example, they have given 2p squared q squared minus 3pq plus 4 and 5 plus 7pq minus 3p squared q squared. First we have to arrange the like terms. Like terms, you know, variables are same. What are the variables are same? Here you have to check. See, first we can write this expression 2p squared q squared minus 3p q plus 4. In this expression we can change the places according to the like terms and write. First, what the variables are there? P squared q squared. Here in where is p squared q squared? Here minus 3p squared q squared, minus 3p squared q squared. Next, pq variable is there, so here we can take 7pq plus 7pq. Now constant term, so where is the constant term? Plus 5. Now you can add addition symbol only, because we are going to add these terms, both the two terms. Simply we can return this expression according to the like terms. Understood? See here, first we can add 4 plus 5, 9, plus symbol only. Here minus is there, here plus symbol is there. We know that plus into minus, minus. We have to subtract it. 7pq minus 3pq. What is the answer? 4pq. Bigger number, here bigger number 7 have plus, so plus 4pq. Now we are going to subtract it here, because here plus symbol is there, here minus symbol is there. So 3 minus 2, I mean 3p squared minus 2p squared q squared. What will be there? Only I mean 3 minus 2, 1p squared q squared. Bigger one have minus symbol, so minus p squared q squared plus 4pq plus 9 is the answer. Same method we are going to subtract the expressions. Subtracting the expressions. See here, two expressions are there. That is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. From 12a minus 9ab, 5b minus 3. You can read the question from this question, from the subtraction word. Subtract this expression from this one, from this one. So after the word from, which expression has come, you can write first. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Next you can write the first expression, put the subtraction symbol. 4a according to the like terms, 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. What are the expression they given with the symbol? You can write next, put the line. So we are going to subtract, no, so you put the subtraction symbol. So After putting the subtraction symbol, every symbol will be changed here. The question has come 4 plus 4a. When we are putting minus symbol, this will be changed minus 4a. You can write the symbols here. Here minus symbol is there, minus into minus plus. Here already plus is there, plus into minus minus. Here plus, plus into minus minus. So we changed all the symbols in this expression. So first you can change add or subtract according to the symbols. Here minus is there, minus 3. Here also minus is there, minus 12. So minus 3 and minus 12 symbol same symbol means you can add. So 12 plus 3 15. Bigger number symbol minus. Here plus 5b minus 3b. We changed here minus 3b. So 5b minus 3b 2b. Symbol is plus because here plus. Here minus 9ab plus 7ab. So symbols are different, alternative symbols. You have to subtract it. 9 minus 7 2ab. Bigger number symbol is minus. Again here minus, we change the symbol here, minus 4a plus 12a plus 12a. So symbols are different, you have to subtract it. 12 minus 4 8a. Bigger number symbol is plus. So plus symbol for first term plus means you can no need to write any symbols, simply you write the same. Nothing will be written means it is called as plus. So the answer is 8a minus 2b 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Now I have given some examples of the expressions which is splitted by using factor tree. Likewise, you can also solve some sums which comes from the exercise. Thank you.